Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are good. So today here we are back with a new video on our AutoCAD Mastery, and this video is going to be on copying and pasting. This topic looks very easy, this topic looks very casual, but again there are some settings which we aren't aware of. So I'll cover those topics today in this video, and I'll try to keep this video very short. This video is going to be short. So here we are into this place, and you can see here that there is a furniture which is kept here. And what we will do normally for copying anything, we press Ctrl+C and then we press Ctrl+V. So now here you can see that where is my cursor. I mean here there is the a crosshair which comes in, and this crosshair is not helping me to place my element in the relevant position. So what I will be doing in that case, I have pressed Ctrl+C for copying, and for pasting I pressed Ctrl+V. So in this scenario, when you have copied an element without defining the base point, at that time you will press B. And when you press B, what happens? Revit is asking you, I mean the AutoCAD tells you that please specify the base point where exactly you want this element to be copied and where exactly you want to paste it. So now I have defined the base point for this furniture, and very easily I can simply place it here where I want to place it. This is one option. Second is you can copy this element with the base point itself. How you will do that? You will right click the element, I mean just select the element first and then you right click, and when you right click you'll come here to clipboard, and then you will find the option copy with base point. You do that and AutoCAD will ask you where exactly you want your base point to be. So again I will select here because this is the common base point for all the elements, for all the furniture elements. And now I have defined the base point. What I need to do, I need to simply press Ctrl+V. When I press Ctrl+V, my cursor, my crosshair comes in correctly at the exact point where I defined the base point, and I can simply place it here. This is one thing. Second is, what if you want to copy the elements completely from one CAD file to another? How you can do that? I have selected entire set of cabins, and what I will be doing now, I will press Ctrl+C, and I am not sure where exactly this element has to sit, but again I know that both the projects have same project as well as survey point defined in. So at that time I will do right click, and then I can go to clipboard where I can select the option of pasting to original coordinates. This cabins have come at the correct coordinates. This is again a very useful tips and trick which I wanted to cover, because as we will proceed further with the course, as well as I will be covering up some of the projects where I will ask you people to work on. At that time, if we are familiar with these tips and tricks, it will be very useful to us. So yes, this video is very short, but again very useful. Let us rise and shine together. We will meet in our next AutoCAD Mastery. Thank you.